If being just a hop, skip, jumping away from the high-performance mecca of the Lake of the Ozarks gets you excited, then this new listing is just for you. Just a quarter of a mile by land and water, this is it. Plenty of parking, easy lakefront lot with only a few steps to the water. This furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has vaulted ceilings, easy main floor living, and this great deck that walks out to the dock. Talk about lake life at its best. Calm water and no wake zone, 2-well dock, one of those being a 16 by 48 slip. This is the way to enjoy it. If you're like me and you want to hear the rumble of engines in the morning and you want to finish your night off with a great dinner and a concert at night, this place is for you. Give me a call, it's gonna go fast.